Got a nice quick little tutorial today on how to paint leopard print. It might look easy enough, and it really is, but if you don't know how to do it, then you don't know how to do it. So here is my bear cake covered in sugar paste, and if you like the look of the bottom tier, I already have a tutorial on how to paint that, which I'll leave linked below. You'll also find tutorials on how to make ganache, cover a cake with ganache, and cover it in sugar paste, just like this one. Here is my little plate of paint I've been using. This is gel colour mixed with white powder. Those little white blobs you see are just lumps of powder. I'm using the Squeezy Gels by Fractal Colours, and we're going with pink leopard print. You'll then want a white dust. This can either be white petal dust, super white powder, or any sort of white edible powder. When you mix this with the gel and add a little bit of water, it makes an opaque paint. Here you'll see I'm not being careful. I'm blotting on different sizes and shapes of the hot pink. I then switched to a smaller brush as the one I was using has a few annoying stray bristles. You just want to add dots of varying sizes and shapes. There's no perfect way of doing this. You can even pull up pictures of leopard print and choose your favourite effect. Some can be closer together, far apart, small or big, whatever you decide. Once all the pink is on, you want to outline it. I'm using this black metallic paint by Rainbow Dust. This is just straight from the bottle onto a brush, and you'll see I'm kind of wiggling and waving it on around the pink blobs. I don't want clean straight lines, I want more organic bumpy ones. You might notice a lot of leopard print doesn't fully encase the colour inside it. It will either have a gap at one side, a gap at both sides, or maybe only just a little stripe on one side. Just work your way around the blobs, varying up your finishes. Once you have them all done, you can even fill in some of the white areas with tiny blobs of black. Again, have a look at different leopard patterns and choose one you like the look of. You can even swap the colours of your leopard print to make anything you like, even rainbow coloured ones. This finished cake is a colourful explosion dinosaur disco wedding cake. I even have a tutorial on how to create that bottom cake, as well as dress up plastic dinosaurs for quick fun toppers, which I'll also leave linked below. If you want more of a regular coloured leopard print, this one is a tan coloured base, and I actually airbrushed the tier as well as the centre of the spots darker, and then I outline them in the same black paint. So you've got the option of painting or airbrushing your leopard print. I know it was short and sweet this week, but hopefully this helps if you have never done leopard print before. If you do give it a go, don't forget to tag me over on Instagram @CherryCakeCo or use the Cherry Brigade hashtag. Thanks guys, see you next week.